Welcome back, viewers. Today, we've got something special for all you sports enthusiasts out there. Are you tired of those bland, uncomfortable socks that just don't hold up during intense games? Well, look no further because we've found the holy grail of athletic socks. Introducing the CELERSPORT 2/3 pack baseball soccer softball socks for youth and adult multi-sport tube socks. That's right, folks. These are not your ordinary socks. They're the best blue baseball socks for youth boys available in the market today. But what makes them so special? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk versatility. These socks aren't just for baseball. Nope, they're designed for multiple sports. Whether you're into soccer, softball, football, lacrosse, rugby, or field hockey, these socks have got you covered. Now, let's talk performance. These socks are engineered to enhance your game. With a comfortable and snug fit, they provide the perfect balance of support and flexibility. Plus, the ergonomic cushioning on the toe, heel, and sole helps reduce impact and friction, keeping you comfortable and focused on the game. But wait, there's more. Ever had socks that just wouldn't stay up? Say goodbye to that problem with the double welt top design of these socks. They stay securely around your calf, giving you the confidence to make those game-winning plays. Now, let's talk style. With 7 vibrant colors to choose from, including this eye-catching light blue, you'll definitely stand out on the field. And with 4 sizes available, everyone can find their perfect fit. So, there you have it, folks. The CELERSPORT baseball soccer softball socks are a game-changer in the world of athletic wear. With their performance-driven design, personalized fit, and unbeatable style, these socks are a must-have for any serious athlete. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Get your pair today and elevate your game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish and stay sporty.